Hi guys, welcome to today's post market analysis, and let's see how the market behaved today and what possible trades we could have taken. Today we know it is like a almost a sideways day for most of the day, and then later towards the end of the day it has actually rallied downwards. Okay, so this is a day low, and here it has broken down and then it moved downwards. Okay, we discussed yesterday how market behaved, and today we were discussing in the post market analysis yesterday itself for current day. So for bank nifty it is wider, and bank nifty it is narrow CPR. So both are contradicting. We don't know whether it stays uh, sideways as per the nifty indication, or it says trendy because of the bank nifty indication. So when they are both contradicting, I think it is better to be cautious and not to trade. If at all we are trading, we have to trade with a smaller quantity until we get the direction in one side. Okay, so for today's market, it is like this is going to be supply zone, and this is going to be act as a very slightly unimportant level, because there is not much bounce from here. But here at this point you can see there is a huge crash. But what happened, price was almost a slightly gap up from here, but opening with a bearish candle indicating there will be another follow up, but it has actually trapped everyone whoever is selling in the opening. Okay, so one thing we can do when we are seeing a bigger bearish candle at the start of the day, we should either wait for the retracement, and when we see the bearish candle, sell again here and keep stop loss above this. So your stop loss will be minimal, and then your take profit would be bigger. Okay, so that is the first trade we could have taken. But the thing is, the first candle has wicks on both sides indicating, I mean, neutral, but though the body is kind of bearish, overall it is a bearish candle only. But this candle, whatever the red candle we are seeing, is not completely bearish, because it is having a bigger wicks at the downside. Though the candle color is red, it indicates, actually I'll make it bigger slightly. Okay, so it indicates a bullish candle, and also we have a support of 20 EMA plus this CPR can act as a support. So that is the reason we cannot take that first bearish candle and towards the downside, but rather we have a breakout here from the range, opening range, whatever we have, it had a breakout properly from that range. So entry here, stop loss below this middle CPR, and take profit to next pivot or supply zone. Even if you are aiming for this supply zone, you will have 1:2, right? If you consider this as 1, this will be 1:2. Okay, so that is one thing. And then, but the problem is, at this point bank nifty is actually trending downwards. When we go to bank nifty market analysis, we will see that according to the price action how is the behavior. But as per this, if you really want to do it, you can keep your entry here, keep stop loss here, or the entry candle where you had the breakout, and then take profit here next pivot or next one. So you can see here stop loss is taken, it is like -1. So one trade we lost, that is -1. And other than that, it was almost up to here. It is kind of sideways day, and it has broken the days range here again. But again, it is like a bigger stop loss if you want to really take the breakout trade again. So whatever the trade you have taken, it hit your stop loss. Other than that, when it is actually every time coming back to 20 MA and taking support here, there is no other support. Only here you can see this is a bullish candle plus 20 EMA. If you have taken entry here, keep your stop loss below this, and target should be here 1:2. But again here stop loss is hit because of the VIX. So it is -1, so -2%, or two trades or loss depending on whatever you have taken. Okay, so for me it is a -0.5 0.4% for today. even I'm in loss. Okay, so bank nifty, you can see huge bearish candle after slight gap up, and then India narrow CPR indicating a downward trend. Okay, when the huge candle you are seeing at the beginning, and this is indicating a downward trend, you should better wait for the retracement and then only take the trade. So that retracement we got here, and then when you see the bearish candle, it is better to take it. But you can see uh, along with the 20 MA, we don't have any other resistance like CPR or pivot point or anything. So when you have only one confirmation, it is better to avoid taking the trade, because it also had a small area where it went it above the 20 MA and tried to go up. But I think bears have actually taken it down again, but very less probability, I would say. Another thing is, when it almost came here and then made a bearish candle, you can take here, because your 20 MA plus pivot almost touched here. So if you have taken here, entry here, stop loss here, and take profit here, it almost gave you 1:2. But here what happened, here stop loss is hit. Okay, again this is low probability, because at this time, if you see at this bearish candle, Nifty is at the CPR. Okay, so this is one mistake I did from my side. I have entered early, considering these bearish candles. Here I thought this will take resistance here and again come down, take resistance again, come down. So I thought if it comes down and again retraces back here, I'll take the second entry. First entry I have taken here, half my position, and I thought I'll enter the second half here if it is going in my direction. But it has hit my stop loss, so I lost around 0.3%. Okay, so after that we don't actually have any other trade, because we have to wait either for this level for this price to come. The CPR reversal is like low probability, because it is a narrow CPR. Okay, so another possible entry is this fake breakout. When we had this, right, it has broken the day's low here. So entry here, stop loss here is one entry, but here there is a demand zone, so no entry. But this fake breakout we could have taken in this green candle. But when you have narrow CPR and sloping 20 MA, fake breakouts generally don't work. When the CPR is wider, then only fake breakout generally works out. Okay, so that is one thing. When you have a huge bounce here, a decent bounce, and when price again came back here, so it is kind of W pattern. So here you could have taken the entry here and stop loss below this, and then aim for this. So this is one, this is two. But again low probability, because Nifty is having, at this point Nifty is having a CPR as very important level, and also today is Fin Nifty expiry. If you see, right, by this time it is almost at the supply zone. So if you want to go long here, it immediately had the resistance, and then it can come down. It's kind of, it has support here, it has resistance here, so we can't go long or short at towards the end of the day when we had that W pattern. So another point is for Fin Nifty, when it has this big candle, you can wait for the retracement here. When you see a small candle towards the day's high, again entry here, stop loss here, and take profit back to day's low. Okay, so it will be like 1:3, 4, but this can act as a support once this is broken on the upside. So it can take support here and then move up. Chances of breaking this level are higher actually. So no trade here also, and we can't take the long trade also, because we had see the kind of selling it had when it actually touched this day's high. So better to stay away in this kind of situation also. So overall it's like Bank Nifty Bank Nifty we have this -1, and Nifty we have -1 and -1, two trades. Almost whatever we have taken here today, everything has failed. I mean, we didn't do anything in our own perception. This is all according to our system, our setups only, that regular price action. It doesn't work always, so we have to keep that in mind and not do any over trading. So as soon as I hit my stop loss in one trade and I'm seeing that every trade is not working out, so I have stayed away. Okay, so that is the best thing you can do in these kind of days, staying away when you are losing. Okay, for tomorrow these are the levels. Okay, I think this zone is going to act as very important level. Slight bounce here, slight bounce here for Bank Nifty. This level is unnecessarily here. I think we don't need this. I think if you break that, I think we don't have any other proper level. I think next level is this only. Until this, I don't see any level. It should take support here. So Bank Nifty has a resistance, important resistance at day time frame here. And let's see Nifty. Let's go to time frame, daily time frame. Right. So 20 MA is still sloping up considering the price action of Nifty. So for tomorrow, 20 MA is going to act as support if it is gap down. I think tomorrow is likely sideways day again, and we can't say that certainly because even today it is contradicting. Bank Nifty narrow CPR just like today, and Nifty wide CPR just like today. Again it is contradicting. Tomorrow I think we should be careful again. We don't know which way it goes, as today most of the market is like upside only, sideways to up. Maybe tomorrow it might trend on Bank Nifty is what I'm thinking, because Bank Nifty expiry is there. Anything can happen based on the price action and how the candles are forming in the beginning of the day. Then only we have to take. I think I will mark this level also, because twice it has actually tried that level. Okay, I will say this. Let's see how the market opens tomorrow morning, and then based on the price action and first few candles, then we will take the trade. Chalo, thank you, bye.